Bear's the little fluffy one.
This one?
Yeah.
No.
Lucky? Oh, that's Bowie. Oh, Wellington doesn't like them.
Yeah, he does. He took one.
He's got one. Oh, good.
All these dogs had one.
So now we have one more group.
All of you had one. I'm not giving any of you one. No, you said you all had one.
Oh, how about Betty and Moki and Charlie in there?
I didn't get one.
You want to go in there to give it to them? We have to go around. That's Moki. Hey, Seeger. Cut it out.
You all away.
You tell him. If you drop the bag, then somebody will steal the whole bag. Moki would do that. He stole your hat once, remember? See, Betty's got a bad attitude. Actually, I should let Moki out. Maybe he doesn't like her. She was nice to Moki before.
I'm not giving one to her.
Because she was bad?
Yeah.
How about Charlie? Did you give one to Charlie?
Charlie?
Charlie's nice.
I gave them both to them.
Good. But Betty was bad. Well, I'll give her one anyway. No, she's bad. Don't give her one. All right, give her one.